Today we are going to introduce the LED light bar of the Nilight Nixman series. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a manual and a warranty card. You can check the wiring installation instructions and contact us to inquire about product issues. Includes 2 pieces 30-inch single-row LED light bar, each with black aluminum housing and 24 PCs top-notch 5W Osram LED chips. 11-foot wire harness with DT connector on-off switch. Extra blade fuses for option. Contains durable brackets and accessories for quick installation. Quick installation, simply fix the bracket to the light with screws on both sides and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. Daytime running light in the middle adds extra safety for daytime ride. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bringing wider and farther view area.